how to enable or disable Bluetooth HCI Snoop block filtering PBAP on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on developer options. Next, in here, we go down and tap on Bluetooth HCI Snoop block filtering PBAP. If you want to disable it, then select disabled. If you want to enable the option, then you can choose fill with string of characters, leave only header, or fully removed. So select one of the options down here just below the disable option to turn it on, or simply select disabled. Now if this option is grayed out, make sure you go up here and choose enable filter. If anything else is selected, then this option will be grayed out. And that's it. So go down here and you can turn it on. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.